going into an office, working 50 hours a week, having that structure. I knew that I wanted more. My name is Charlotte Reiss, and I am the owner of Vivi et Margot. We specialize in selling traditional and authentic French homewares. I run my business online with Wix, with a fully operating warehouse in Dallas, Texas, while I live here in France. The biggest challenge going from a corporate world has been the balance. I wanted to set my own hours. I wanted to be my own boss. Every day I go straight onto the dashboard. Everything I need is there. The back in stock feature is one of my absolute favorite tools. I get an alert when an item is running low in stock or I'm out of stock. I don't want to have products that just sell out and I'm not even in manufacturing for the next product line. So as we build and as we grow, my customer base has increased. I'm now having to work on 500 to 1,000 of a different piece to kind of keep up with the demand. When you have the right tools, anything is possible.